Hello and welcome to ibiixo Studio again. My name is Deep and today we are going to talk about Airbnb. As promised in the last video, this video is all about how Airbnb works and how much capital you'd require to develop an app similar to Airbnb. Airbnb, as you know, is a travel application which allows you to book hosts and experiences around the globe. It is a very large business with lot many changes over the time. If you know the statistics, it works in around 190 plus countries right now. Earlier, Airbnb used to provide the facility to book hosts with homes and rooms and everything. Now they also have the facility to book experiences. Let's try to know how much it will cost and what is the plan. The cost includes the UI UX and the designing part, the logic and the testing. Project setup with all the necessities of API implementations and any other details would require around 60 to 70 hours, wherein 25 hours are for the project setup, 15 hours are for the API integrations and other hours are for the database modeling and the other steps. Next step is the design. So the design UI and UX for an app similar to Airbnb with all the facilities will take around 100 hours to 120 hours of time. The very first thing in the logic you see or the functionality you see is the registration module. The registration module is going to take around 15 to 20 hours of time for the development. Once the registration is done, the first thing comes in front of you is the user profile creation. The user profile creation helps us to understand more about the users and show them the things based on their preferences. User profile creation is going to take around 20 hours of time for the development. Airbnb has so many filters which helps you to find the desired property. This is a wonderful feature so that you can get an exact property what the customer requires. Getting the filters and search result will take around 40 hours of time. Once the user have applied the search filters, what they see is the search result page. This is a very complicated page with all the details on the property price, locations, pictures, reviews and ratings, map and each and everything. This is going to take around 220 hours of development. Apart from this, there is a facility to add a property to favorite. Adding a property to favorite is going to take around 20 hours of time, and facility to invite friends to the platform, which is going to increase your customers on the platform, is going to take around 15 hours of time. Map facility is also one of the most important facility in an Airbnb like facility because you get to see what is the locations and you can easily compare the price of the nearby properties. Getting the map integration is going to take around 40 to 60 hours of time, and the communication between the host and the guest is going to take again around 50 hours of time. Becoming a host and listing a property which has all the details on the property, including the property titles, locations, prices, check-in, check-out date and everything, that is going to take around 130 to 150 hours of time. Apart from that, there is a small functionality of setting which allows the users to change the password and preferences and everything. That is going to take around 30 to 40 hours of time. Now, this comes an end to the front-end features. The main logic is the back-end or the server-side coding, which has actual implementations on what will happen when and what information will be shown on the front end. The back-end development or the server-side development is going to take around 650 hours of time. So what we discussed is all about the standard and basic facilities. If you want something out of the box or some new features, developers are going to take more time for the development of the same. Now when you ask me that how much it will cost to develop an app like Airbnb, we can calculate the cost is around 1350 to 1400 hours. And if we calculate it by our standard hourly of $25 per hour, it's going to take around $32,000 to $35,000 for the development of a single platform application. Now you can also have a module like experience, what Airbnb has, and development of an experience module is going to take around 140 hours for the front-end development and around 70 to 18 hours for the back-end development. Now again I am repeating, these are the average cost. So you can contact us now and see what exactly you are planning, what features you are planning, so that you can know the precise cost for your development with the features, modules and the ideas you have in your mind. That's all for Airbnb for now. My name is Deep. I'm from ibiixo Studios. If you want to know more about more technological news, subscribe to our channels. Haven't you got a chance to look at our video on Uber clone and how much it costs to develop an app like Uber? See to the link here. Subscribe to our channel again and see the latest update. The next video we are coming next week is how much it will cost to develop an app like Thumbtack. Stay tuned. Bye bye.